Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset a series on Netflix. To reset a series on Netflix, go ahead and open up your Netflix application or simply open up a web browser and then sign into your Netflix account like you normally do. After logging into your Netflix account, mouse over to your avatar at the top right corner and click on the account button in the pop-up menu. From the account interface, click on the profiles option on the left-hand side menu. Under profile settings, select your profile where you want to make the change. After choosing one of the profile, scroll down and click on viewing activity. Locate the series that you want to reset and then click on this little circle with a small slash in it. Click on that button and doing this will remove the series from your viewing history. Click on the hide option in order to hide the series. You can do this for every other series that you want to reset. So that way you will be able to re-watch the series from the beginning if you go ahead and click on it again. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.